Talasa, my name is Setarosa Tuitasilu. My verse today is James chapter 2, verse 14 to 16. What good is it, my brother, if a man claims to have faith, but has no deeds? Could such faith save him? Suppose a brother or sister is without clothes and getting food. If one of you say to him, Go, I wish you well, keep warm and well fed, but does nothing fulfill his physical needs, what good is it? My Father